Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we did our latest screen and digital climate control for a 2016 Maserati GT. This is a convertible one, and we add our backup camera. This is the latest backup camera that we have. You can see how it looks like when we calling it license plate camera. That's how it looks, and you can adjust basically the angle for the camera too. So you can see we install our latest screen, which it has two parts but one piece. Top part is infotainment system, bottom part is digital climate control, and there is another piece right at the bottom that it retains your hazard light, door lock, unlock. You had four buttons on the left of your infotainment system. Basically they replaced in the center of our infotainment system, which is sport, tracking off, park off, and ice mode. Again, on top you see the main menu. You can do wireless CarPlay, as I'm doing wireless right now. I cannot play any songs due to copyright, but you can play any songs that you like from your Spotify or from Amazon Music. Also, there is a pop-up information from your digital climate control that it's basically picture-in-picture on the infotainment system too. You can control everything by touch instead of using those analog buttons. We add backup camera, as I told you. And you can see the sensors there, and there is lines that it shows you're close to bumper or you have free space to maneuver to the back of the car. By going back to park, it shifts back to the place that you've been. The unit comes with built-in radio, so you can go to stations. Also, you can install any offline maps from Play Store. As the unit is Android, it's nothing to do with your phone, so you can have any type of phone, but you can use the Android side of the unit. You can go to Play Store, download any apps that you like, and let's say play YouTube or any other apps, or download any offline maps that you like, if you don't mind to have don't have the live traffic information. Also, you can control the volume from the touch screen, mute, and you can use the steering wheel too, so you can make the volume up and down from the steering wheel, or you can do the voice command. Basically, the voice command is through your Apple CarPlay, and you can use Siri. Go to closest gas station.
One option is Petro-Canada on Woodbine Avenue in Markham, about a half-kilometer to your east. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to Petro-Canada.
So you can use the voice command. You can make any phone calls that
Starting
you want.
route to Petro-Canada. Proceed to Conrad Crescent, then turn left.
Or, as I said, you can receive messages, or you can play any music that you like. And there is some setups that you can do. Some setups. That's according to your desire, how you want to set up your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, or the other stuff that you want. And you can change the directions for the map. Is this map, or you want to use the Apple CarPlay or not? Also, there is one button on the left side that, again, it's for air conditioning control. If you want to have it on your infotainment system, by clicking on that, basically you can control your climate control. with the touchscreen too. The unit support Imperial, or if you want, it support metric too. So here in Canada we use Imperial. Down in States you can use the Imperial. Also you can watch videos. There is no video on this unit, but if you install basically if you download any movies or any songs to USB, the unit comes with 2 USBs and you can play songs or videos through those 2 USBs. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.